Hi, and thanks for joining us as we kick off the process to update the City of Saratoga's housing element. The city has created a series of videos about the housing element update. This is the third video and will provide an overview of the legal framework that will guide the development of the housing element update. You can find the other videos in this series online at www.saratoga.ca.us/housing. There, you can also subscribe to the Housing Element newsletter, find a schedule of upcoming community meetings, or schedule your own small group meeting. The California Housing Element Law was adopted in 1969 during the Civil Rights Movement, with one of the goals being to address racial segregation. This state law seeks to ensure that each city and county has designated sufficient land at sufficient densities to meet its fair share of projected housing needs. The housing element law requires each city and county to plan for future housing needs for people at all income levels through a housing element in their general plan. The housing element is a blueprint for future housing development and must be updated every 8 years. Additionally, the housing element is subject to review and approval by the California Department of Housing and Community Development, or HCD. The city's next housing element is due to HCD by January 2023. There are severe penalties if the city fails to revise and update the housing element prior to the submission deadline. If the city fails to adopt an updated housing element, the city could be left with little say over future development, including building permits, subdivisions, and variances. For many years, the primary function of the housing element was to ensure that cities and counties had zoning in place that would allow the market to build the necessary housing. More recently, there has been increasing legislative pressure on cities and counties to take responsibility for meeting projected housing needs, as well as planning for them in the housing element. For example, due to 2017's SB 35, jurisdictions that are not on track to meet their assigned share of projected future housing needs, or their RHNA, are subject to by right approvals of qualifying multifamily residential projects. This means that there is no discretionary review or public input process for these projects. Additionally, review is based on compliance with set objective standards and cannot involve subjective judgment. Qualifying projects are also not subject to environmental review under the California Environmental Quality Act. Because not enough housing development has occurred in Saratoga compared to the RHNA allocation for the current housing element, Saratoga is subject to this law. Last year, the city received an application to build housing at the Quito Village Shopping Center. The city was required to approve that project, which will result in the construction of 90 townhomes, 9 of which will be affordable. In addition to the housing element law and SB 35, there are a number of laws that have been adopted by the state to reduce local control over future housing development in an effort to address the housing affordability crisis. Additionally, more and more new bills are being introduced to further reduce the ability of cities and counties to shape the development of their own communities. While these laws may be well-intentioned, many assume that the lack of affordable housing can be addressed by removing the community from the development review process. Visit the city's website at www.saratoga.ca.us/legislation to learn more about how you can connect with your state representatives and share your thoughts on proposed legislation. Thanks for watching this video, and please check out the others in this series to learn more about the housing element, regional housing needs allocation, and how you can participate in this update process. This information is also available on the city's website at www.saratoga.ca.us/housing. There, you can find other videos in this series and sign up to receive the Housing Element newsletter to never miss an update throughout the process. After submitting your email address, you'll receive an email to confirm your subscription. After watching the first 4 housing element videos, you can use this form to submit any questions you still have or topics you would like covered in further detail. This will help us tailor those upcoming community meetings to cover what the community really needs. You can find the schedule for those community meetings on the website as well. Additionally, you can submit a request to schedule a small group community meeting with your friends, neighbors, or another group of interested residents using this form. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to working with you.